Everybody a little bit emotional because this machine here is leaving today. I'm waiting for the truck. The truck's on its way. It'll be like 5, 10, maybe 15 minutes. Now, so it's ready to be loaded onto the truck. So now, yeah, and I knew something like this was going to happen because Renico, or the owner of Renico, needs the skid steer on a job site or something like that. So they phoned Dita, which Dita is my mom's fiance, and to say that they need the skid steer on a job site. So yeah, last year we had a skid steer here, but with a different set of tire treads on it. And when that one left, I was so emotional that I was crying, literally. And now I'm a little bit emotional again. And yeah, and I've even said to my mom that why don't we just buy a skid steer instead of having to rent one every time? I mean, really. So yeah, let me give you guys a quick inside of the cab, yeah? Here we go. Sit down in here, does that, so that you can see inside the cab. And this is virtually what I see when I'm driving in the machine. Looks interesting, eh? So yeah, I think the truck is almost here. So yeah. We'll see you next time. Before I say that, it's a little bit something different for the video now, because I'm trying to do whatever I can to make videos while my motorbike is out of commission, because the gearbox on my motorbike is grinding and that. So yeah, so basically the only snake videos I can make at the moment is on my stepbrother and my snake. So yeah, just something a little bit different this time. So yeah, we'll see you next time. Matthew out.